Hello, I am Aditya Rajput, student of I Square IT College, Pune, studies in E&TC. This is a presentation of research paper, comes under the ESMP project work. My research topic is an overview on audio, signal, speech, and language processing for COVID 19. Author names Gauri Deshpande, Bijon W. Scholar. Let's go to the next slide. Our presentation start with the what we are discussing in this presentation is abstract introduction, past surveys, screening and diagnosis for COVID-19, monitoring, awareness, next step challenges, conclusion and references. Let's start with abstract. First point is increase the attention toward the innovating and enhancing building and deploying a application of speech signal processing for providing a assistant and relieve human mankind from COVID-19 paradigm. The second point is many AI with speech initiatives are taken to combat with the present situation and also to create a safe and secure environment for the future. S- And the third one is this paper further gives overview of contribution for non-speech modalities and may complement or serve as inspiration for audio speech analysis. So this is our abstract of presentation. Next slide is introduction. As of today, there are we know there are 4 million confirmed cases of coronavirus inducing COVID-19 infection cases in more than 200 countries across the world. And because of this, this leads to increase the need for scanning and diagnosis and awareness and post-care equipments and method of use population. So we need to generally screening more for uh, uh, to identifying the which one is a COVID infected or which one is not, and also we have to spread awareness about the COVID-19 among the people. So many people uh, can't be get fear. This not only demands for reaching out to large population in shorter time, but also to comes with effective solution at each stage of the pathological, psychological, and behavioral problems. Because of this, in lockdown, social distancing, quarantine, and its effect in society might have adverse effect on level of loneliness, depression, self-harm, and suicidal. Because of loneliness, many people are going to into suicidal behavior and depression. So we need to consult. We need to build something like that can act as a psychology counselor to keep people healthy. Next slide is our past surveys. First one is tuberculosis curve detection. The technologies are STFT, FMCC, MFB with CNN. Dataset we have considered Google Audio set extract from 1.8 million YouTube videos and pre-sound audio database. The accuracy of this is 0.948 AUC. The second one survey is the asthmatic detection technology. They are using InterSpeech 2013 computational paralinguistic challenge baseline acoustic feature. The dataset used in this survey is speech from 47 asthmatic and 48 healthy controls. The accuracy of this is 78%. Going to the next slide, our the main part of uh, this presentation is the screening and diagnosis for the COVID-19. How we can identify which one has the COVID-19 and which one has not. So detection is based on the following points: curve detection, breathing analysis, chatbots, chest X-rays, stress detection, sleep quality detection, and mask monitoring. So these are the points where we with the help of we can detect the COVID infected peoples. Moving to the next slide, monitoring. How we can monitor on this from first point is face mask detection from voice. We can use this. The second is cup and breathing analysis. So we can analyze the infected patient's cup and how his breathing sound and all things. The mental health and emotion detections, face mask detection from image processing. We can use this technology here, and text analysis from the Twitter chatbots. So, may move into the next slide. Awareness. First one is speech recognition and synthesis algorithms have been widely used in the development of chatbots to provide human-like interaction, so people can be friendly to discuss about their uh, health situations. In this time of crisis, chatbots are helping to spreading valuable information about COVID-19 to end-use users. As also is in India, Arogya Setu app is also working. In third point, once an infected get cursed, they can help researchers with not only their experience but also with donating components such as plasma. So, in nearby days, plasma therapy is very useful for recovering the COVID-19 patient. The 420 CDC has been encouraging the recover people to donate their plasma for development of blood and related therapies. Next step and challenges. For this work, the work culture is moving more toward the working from home, and it will be required to detect some behavioral parameters such as fatigue, sleepiness for the self monitoring of working professionals. So many people are in majorly in IT sectors. They are working from homes. So the behavioral parameter, so what parameter we have to consider? The behavioral parameters such as stress or anxiety need greater attention to be paid in these days. The major challenge given is the social distancing norm, is getting the relevant and accurate speech data for the developing a machine learning model. So this was a big problem for us. Next, the conclusion. There is a very vast space of physical and mental wellness which need fast and usual solutions from digital sensing phase. The second conclusion is the most of the speech-based research work for screening and monitoring of COVID-19 are ready to be customized. The chatbots, although having the largest probability of use cases, still need to content-aware design. The last conclusion of the multi-model approach, where the all the three modalities means audio, speech, text, and image together work, so we can get better accuracy, and towards creating a framework solution will be likely the most promising avenue for future efforts. These are research paper references. Thank you for listening carefully and attending my presentation.